Honeywell stock hit a new high today, and we detected an unusual trade worth $2.4 million. And what's also very unusual is that Honeywell reports earnings next week, July 25th. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors are trading Honeywell for earnings. Are they buying and bullish for earnings, or are they selling and bearish for earnings? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, including leaked insider information such as earnings reports, to make better decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the option time and sales tape, today at 2:42 p.m., these options were being traded for the August 16 and the December 20 options, 220 strike calls and the 230 strike calls. So let's take a deeper look at the option chain to find out more as to what this wealthy investor is doing. For the August 16 options, we can see at the 220 strike calls, 5,000 open interest, greater than the volume of 3,000. So we know that these are not necessarily opening trades, and based on our analysis of other data, we believe these were closing trades where they were taking profits, closing out and rolling their options to the December 20 options. And you can see here at the 230 strike calls, volume 3,000, greater than the open interest. So these are opening trades. And we are also in the same position, buying these 230 strike calls and using position sizing as a way to manage our risk, because this is actually a lower chance of profit trade because earnings is coming up. That is higher risk. And so if you are interested in the higher chance of profit trades that have lower risk, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where you can learn how to gain access to the trades of wealthy investors, including possible insiders that are trading on inside information. So for this trade, now that we know that the Decembers are the opening trades, we can calculate the total trade cost. Okay, August are closing, the December is opening. And so you can see that the total trade cost here that they paid was $738 per call option. And number of contracts, 2,000 plus 1,263. So we multiply that out. That is a total of 3,263 total contracts. And we get $2.4 million. So quite a substantial amount of money to be trading for earnings. But as we mentioned, this is a lower chance of profit trade because of the earnings that is coming up. And as we had just analyzed, they were paying $738 for each of these call options. And so you can see on the profit loss risk profile graph, share price of Honeywell here on the x-axis. The y-axis shows profit. Zero break-even line is over here. So Honeywell currently trading at 220. So if it goes down, it becomes a negative loss. If it goes up, it becomes profitable gain. So we know that this is a bullish long trade We can also see from the Greeks here that this delta is a positive delta. So this is a long bullish trade. If it was a short bearish trade, it would be a negative delta. Now keep in mind the theta risk, -3. Okay, so time decay is a risk on this trade because these call options will decay in value through time. In fact, you can see that the purple line, which represents the current date today, July 17, the break even over here where it meets the zero profit loss line actually shifts upwards. So Honeywell actually has to trade above $237 at expiration December 20, higher than $237 per share for these call options to be profitable. But if it starts to increase sooner, it actually be profitable immediately. So we don't have to necessarily wait until December. And so that is possibly why they were using these options to trade for earnings, because it is further out in date. All right. We do share more of our strategies on our website. And also, if you are interested in the trades that the wealthy investors are trading, let us know in the comments below what you think will happen to Honeywell. Will it go up or will it go down? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.